Good morning from Tom Crut here in Koh Samui. We're here today at the beach Samui. We're sat on the terrace, one of our corner units, one of the D units, and it's 9:20 in the morning, and this is our view. This is what you wake up to every morning, staying at the beach Samui. So we're just finishing the beach Samui. The resort's coming to its final stages. We've fitted the back corridors have been done, the rear grill's gone in place, the bathtubs are in all the units, the floor's been done, the windows, the balconies. We are coming to the end now. I do know that those who are going to stay here when we open are going to be very happy indeed. So we look forward to welcoming you at the beach as we continue finishing our construction.
Sitting on the balcony here of 201D, and you can see we're rounded the corner, we're on the home stretch. And the finishing trades that come in at this point in the game move very quickly through a building like this because all of the difficult parts are done. You know, we've got our elevator in, we have all of our sanitary electrical rough-in done, most of the difficult tile work is completed, and now you see progress moving rapidly week to week. And you can see we've got our floor finishes going in, we've got all our glass railing, our cap rails in, the Sukabumi's at about 90%. And you'll see in the next couple of weeks some remarkable changes. I think one of the biggest changes is what you see when you come down the main road. And you can see this morning we've got about 10% of the aluminum extrusion detailing that was done by the U architects in London, and it's coming out beautifully. We're so impressed with it, we stop to look at it every time we walk by. And now, you know, we get to different stages in this building, and it becomes a place for the people in the village to come by and bring their friends. So we're making really good progress, and I like this stage of the project because we get the reward of seeing the quality of the finishes coming together in a really nice way. And you know, my hat goes off to the U architects because we fought them on details and they were right. The aesthetic value of what they've done is really quite remarkable. And even the other designers that live here on the island are all coming by to take a look at it. So it's a great event, and we're coming into the time of year where everything's very, very pleasant here on the island, and I couldn't be happier. This is a stage of the project that I enjoy. Yeah, you can see, Brian, the exhaust vent coming here for the VRV system, the air conditioning system. You know, as you know, we've got a centralized modular system for air conditioning that runs about 30 to 35% more efficient than a typical split system air conditioning that they use in resorts here on the island. The air conditioning system's been engineered is to try and maximize the efficiency. And part of the efficiency is in how you discharge the air coming through your compressor. And you can see the vent's been constructed with this curve, parabolic curve here coming down, and the discharge of the air come out and blow directly out through the vents. And this allows us two things. Number one, to hide the visual sight of the compressors and take the noise down underneath the concrete construction so it doesn't disturb the guests that are in the hotel. So it gives you energy efficiency. It gives you a preferred visual solution to the problem of placing the compressors. And we now have an efficient system of discharging the air that's relatively quiet. We've spread that discharge all the way along the front of the hotel here. David's detailed this in the black Marquina marble. We've got a beautiful black aluminum grill, and it becomes a visual element that's complementary to the extruded grill, and it's a great solution. An energy efficient, great solution.
My name is Carsten Lima. I am the Area Director for Design Hotels in the Asia-Pacific region. I'm sitting right now right on the beach of the beach Samui. The purpose of me being here is that I've been invited inside the premises to have a closer look at this incredible project that we have been picked to take part in. I must admit that I didn't know how to expect my arrival experience to be, but wow, it's something extremely unique And I've the past 2 hours been taking around on a tour in this serene, picturesque, incredibly beautiful spot on the southernmost tip of the Samui Islands. And I've been blown away by the beauty of the views, the color schemes, and this is just the land itself. However, right on the beach, the project developers from Absolute Developers have done something that I haven't seen before in my 20 years in the industry. They have beautifully blended in materials which have been handpicked to create accommodation and an atmosphere for travelers who for sure have been somewhere else and to many destinations, but have carefully chosen this very particular spot in a non-commercial area of Samui in order to find tranquility throughout a time which is their holiday. And as we all know, holiday, no matter what, is what we choose to spend time and money on. So I can only say that it has truly lived up to the expectations and more to it. And I can say that we're very proud of being part of this project.
Well, I'm sat here on the bathtub on one of the units, almost finished, and we're looking forward to welcoming you here. We'll see you here, 2014, the beach Samui. Enjoy the view.